Hello, my name's Ken Ezell with Clifton Ezell of Clifton Golf Design Group. We're sitting here at what is going to be the future clubhouse site for the Bonifay Country Club. And in our background, which is facing due south, we have the construction going on for some of the major east-west road, as well as a recreation facility, the parking facility, and that type of thing. One of the things that we think is necessary for maybe explaining a little bit about the golf course construction process is that we're moving the dirt, which is a considerable process here at the villages. This particular site has a lot more hills and valleys, and for us to be able to make all the stormwater and the golf course work, we're having to move a considerable amount of dirt, taking off some of the tops of the hills and filling in the valleys. Behind us, what we have is what we call the artwork shaping portion of the golf course. We've moved the dirt, and we now have our shaper that comes in that interprets our golf course plans with a bulldozer. What we do is kind of start off and have a paint by numbers type of process that we take and go through. And at this particular time, we actually bring the artist in that interprets what we have, and when we take and massage everything. We think this is very interesting because you get to see really where the bottom grades are and how we've moved the dirt and now starting to put the final form and shape to it. From here, we'll start doing some drainage work. We'll do some sodding around the bunkers. We'll get everything prepped up to put the sand in. We'll do the same thing with our drainage underneath for our modified USGA green specs that we put in on the championship golf courses. So we hope that this will give you a little bit of feel for what artwork shaping is and how we go from the initial process of getting the plans done to actually creating the golf course. This project that we're undertaking at the present time involves about 3.8 million cubic yards of dirt to be moved. And it's quite a massaging process to take and balance all the dirt. We try not to export any dirt, and we try not to import any dirt. So as you can look behind us, you can see a lot of the undercut that we're into clay, and we're moving that so that we're creating bases for our roads and some of our development. We have plenty of construction work going on. We are now in full tilt, working hard to take and make everything come together. In future episodes that we're going to be having with the V-mail, you should start to see where we start to line the lakes, get some water in them, start the greens and bunker construction. We've got irrigation started at the present time. We think that'll be interesting for y'all to understand what we do to install the irrigation and maybe how this is going to be a little bit of an advanced technology in our water conservation mode as we create more green community throughout the villages. So we hope that you understand kind of the process we're going through, and we hope that you'll continue to watch V-mail and give us your comments on how we're doing on the construction of Bonifay Country Club.